Hi, just want to share some new updates from Demoground. We've been working with the Mantle Integration and the Mantle extension, so I just wanted to showcase some of that. But for those that have not heard of Demoground, we create highly personalized, dynamic, interactive demos for Shopify app developers to showcase their app to merchants without them installing. So I'm going to use a concrete example here. Uh, we've created an app called Review Cap AI. It summarizes product reviews, and so if we look at the Demoground experience, this is Review Cap's playground. On a landing on their playground, we ask for the merchant's Shopify URL. So I'm going to use an example here called Eager Drinks, and we're just going to say Eager Drinks at example.com. Just put in a dummy email, and when we click Start Demo, what this is happening is we are dynamically building the demo with Eager Drinks design, their products and inventory, so that when that merchant goes through the demo, they're familiar with their store. So we can see that there's a pulsating widget here. This is the actual review cap widget that you can move it around as the merchant. And there are some tooltips here that they can click on. It actually brings them to, it will lead them through this interactive demo so that they can see the different benefits and the features that they would get when they use this app. So this would be the review cap experience, and then also there's something new here, which is a progress bar below, which would show a linear path towards the end of the demo. Depending on the different types of demo, there could be many different steps showing different pages like cart pages, thank you pages, checkout pages. For this particular demo, because it's a review app, we only have the product page. But if I click on the next step here, questions and answers, we are brought into the admin dashboard. This would look familiar to the merchant because we actually pull in their actual products into here. And so this is not just for storefront apps. It also is possible to showcase your admin to the merchants. So as we head towards the end of the demo, so let's say they've gone through everything, they've looked at it. Now this is the point where the call to action would be for them to install an app. So there are different ways to do that. I'm not going to go through them here, but let's just say they go away, similar to when they check out your app listing, they looked at your features and then they go away. There's now very little you can do, but because this is an interactive demo that where we've captured their contact info, and then we can also see, the URL. There's more to what we can do. So we can go into Mantle, where we've already pulled in their data, and usually Mantle is for apps that have already been installed. What we're trying to do is to move that towards the very top end of the funnel, so that even if they haven't installed, if you go to the customer tab, if you go to, so let's see, if I refresh this, if I, so we can actually see, it's this, we've actually tagged the leads with a Demoground leads tag. Their status is uninstalled because, well, they haven't installed your apps, and we can come into here and actually see which demo that they've gone through. And not only that, we've actually pushed more usage events into Mantle. So as they were going through the demo, we can actually see the different events. Eventually, these events could be created into funnel reports. You can do all sorts of analysis and figuring out which stage, which feature any particular prospects they're interested in that they've spent a lot of time on, and then you can reach back out and ask them if they have any questions. So once this data is in here, obviously we can use other Mantle products like Flow and email to create an automated way to re-engage them, educate them, nurture them. So the last thing I want to show is the Demoground extension. So we've tightly integrated with Mantle so that you can actually, in one dashboard, look at all the demo sessions that has occurred. From here, you can see that there's prospects email, the website that they came through, the location, the time that they came through, and how long they've spent. So that's some new updates on new Demoground and what you can do. If you're interested in creating something like a playground that I showed, or you have any questions, feel free to reply to this thread, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Bye now.